Hey everyone, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home of extremely easy to use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to show you a powerful tool that makes it incredibly simple to sort addresses by distance directly in Excel. If you've ever needed to figure out which locations are closest to a given address, this tool is going to be a game changer for you. Over the years, our tools have helped simplify the tasks of more than 7,500 happy customers. These individuals come from various backgrounds and industries, all benefiting from the ease and efficiency our solutions bring to their daily lives. Every week, we receive heartfelt emails and messages from users who share how much our tools have positively impacted their routines. They tell us how tasks that once seemed overwhelming are now manageable, saving them time, effort, and stress. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers have shared their experiences publicly as well. With over 130 Google reviews, the majority of which are glowing 5-star ratings, you can see just how thrilled people are to have discovered our solutions. These reviews highlight the value of our tools, offering real-world proof of the difference we make. Let's start with the problem we're solving. Say you have a target address, maybe it's a customer's address, and you want to find out which locations or service providers are closest to them. This could be based on a zip code or a full address. In this example, we'll use the zip code 33030 for Miami, Florida, and I'll demonstrate how to find the closest addresses within a specific range. Let's say 35 miles. On the first tab, in this case, I named it Employees tab, I have a list of service providers. Each one is listed with the corresponding address. For instance, I've named them Employee 1, Employee 2, and so on. Now what I want to do is figure out which of these contractors are within 35 miles of our target zip code. After we input the customer's address and set the range to 35 miles, simply click on the Calculate button and the tool does all the work. It calculates the distance from each contractor to the target address and tells me who's closest. As you can see here, the tool has generated a list of employees from nearest to farthest within the 35 miles radius. The tool provides both straight line distances and driving distances, so you can choose the metric that works best for your needs. It really is as easy as that. If this sounds like something that could help you, you can download the tool using the link in the description. If you have unique needs or require customizations to the tool, feel free to reach out. Our phone number and email are in the description and on the screen, and we're happy to help. You can also chat with us directly via live chat on our website. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Until next time, happy calculating.